What does wait for confirmation mean in trading? It simply means do not enter a trade based only on what you think might happen. Wait until the market gives you a clear sign. Imagine a stock is moving toward an important price level, like, for example, $100. Instead of buying immediately, you watch what happens next. If the price moves above $100 and stay there, that can be your confirmation. You may also look for another positive candle, stronger trading volume, or a small pullback followed by another move higher. It is like waiting for a traffic light to turn green. You may already know where you want to go, but the green light gives you a better moment to move. Waiting for confirmation does not guarantee that every trade will work. It simply gives you more information before making a decision. You may enter slightly later, but you can trade with a clearer plan and more confidence. For beginner traders, this can be a simple way to build patience, improve decision making, and develop the consistent habits that support long term financial independence.